Hey guys, it's Mike Jimenez, a PM for the Golden View team. Today we're here in the adventurous city of Oakland. Today we will be hearing from our clients about her 2 full bathroom remodels, as well as a special guest, the designer who put it all together and made it possible. So come with me and let's hear what they have to say. Let's go.
I had both of my bathrooms renovated. We needed extra space in one of our bathrooms. It was much too small. And the other one, we just needed sort of everything replaced. Estelle was our designer and she really helped me through the process. I was really just looking for our designer to take the lead and really make a lot of recommendations.
I love this project a lot. The scope is not very big, just 2 bathrooms. Moroccan inspired tiles in the wall was gorgeous. There's warm brass finishes paired with a walnut texture, which is rich and luxurious. And look at the floor, it's super bright indigo rich color. By adding a lot of accents on this side of the bathroom, we wanted to showcase all the best features on this side, while the tub area is more functional and more complementing.
Mike was good at understand my needs and make sure that the project came along. My vision really was just having a much more functional upstairs bathroom by making it bigger, and then with the downstairs bathroom making it not look like trash.
Second bathroom is a smaller bathroom downstairs. Same approach we did over here. We applied all the accents, all the bright colors to the vanity area to showcase that part of the bathroom. The shower here we did in a very neutral color scheme. What I like to do in the bathroom that has some storage challenges is to incorporate medicine cabinets.
The bathrooms definitely meet all my expectations and they look really good. I'm very happy with that. They both look very nice. The next project we have, I will reach out to you.
Thank you for stopping by and taking the opportunity to listen about the process when it comes to the full bathroom remodels from our clients and our lead designer. If you're living in this area and you have any questions about your remodel, please don't hesitate to reach out to the Golden View team. I am Mike Jimenez and I look forward to hearing from you.